The R&R Bedknife screwdriver tool is a ratchet attachment that comes in 3 different designs to easily install and remove bedknife screws. Each attachment is custom manufactured to the groove sizes used on Toro, Jacobson, or John Deere bedknife screws. These handy tool ratchets come in the universal 3/8 inch ratchet size and are plated with hard chrome for years of use. For best results, use with an impact driver set to free frozen bolts and screws. Equipment mechanics will be grateful to have this tool to not only easily install bedknife screws, but also because of the great leverage they provide to remove old, dirty, or corroded screws. For more information on this or any other of our time and space-saving tools, visit us at rrproducts.com.